According to the Association of Health Funders of Zimbabwe, the country has more than 20 registered health insurers serving about 800,000 members. In a statement, the Zimbabwe Medical Association accused the health funders of delaying payments to doctors, who were nonetheless forced to pay taxes on funds they had not received.
Doctors see patients, they accept medical aid cards, but a number of times they are either not paid or paid way after 60 days, or they get paid a very little amount which is not in line with the gazetted fees. Unfortunately, when they do get the little that they get, or they invoice the medical funders that do not pay them, Zimra, who are the taxmen, comes and demands their monies on those invoices.
Zimbabwe's health sector imploded under the burden of severe economic crisis and hyperinflation nearly 10 years ago. Most doctors in Zimbabwe run private practices, and some also put in hours at private and state hospitals. Government-run hospitals, used by the majority of Zimbabweans, often lack basic medicines and specialist doctors and are largely shunned by patients on health insurance.
What we are likely to see is a further deepening of the crisis, like I said, and the whole system will simply grind to a halt, because all this is playing out at a time when the country is going through a massive cash crisis.
Many people say they simply cannot afford to pay cash for their medical expenses.
I don't have money, but I have a patient on medical aid who urgently needs to see a doctor. So if they're going to refuse medical aid, I don't know what I will do.
Things are very tough. There's nowhere we will get cash to pay doctors.
Zimbabwe is trying to emerge from years of international isolation, largely blamed on the government's policies.